What's up, guys? It's me, Angry Birds fan 1234, and welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher 2. So, I just loaded in here to the game, and I just saw that we have a new message that we have. Now, it's been quite a while since I've played, because, there's been stuff going on. Another one from Victor Humphreys. Let's see. Hello, Beatrix. Seeing as you've taken an interest in building gadgets, I put together a little housewarming gift in support of both your pragmatic and creative endeavors. Looking forward to seeing what you build. A med station? Huh. Receive the following gadgets. And a conservatory table. And another one. And more chairs. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Hold on, I gotta go down and see what all this is. Hold on now. Part of like furniture set. Oh hey, little slime. Okay, so whoa. Okay, seems like we've got a new update here. Utilities, head station. Okay, I mean it's not too expensive. So it seems like I would put this just like around like the other gadgets. Do I want to try to get one of these? Which one would be the easiest? Okay, yeah, definitely the heart modules and some power cores. Although we would need like those chips in order to get the other one. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out as we go. Okay, so I recently looked up what those statues were that we have found. So apparently you need a specific type of plort in order to open those statues. So what I'm gonna quickly do here, I'm gonna gather all this food. Don't really need that. So I'm gonna gather the food. Oh my goodness, we have a lot of chickens. That is quite a lot of chickens. My, oh my. Hey, what do you think you're doing? You guys get back in there. You guys get back. Send you guys back to your cage. Okay, so I'm taking this food. So if we find... Yeah, let me just take... My, oh my, we have a lot of chickens. Here, just take some normal hens. Alright, that should be enough. We should be fine. Okay, so I know there was one statue next to the place that had the phosphor, the giant phosphor slime. So we can go check that out. Where was that? It was over here, right? No? Oh, it's been too long. Oh. I don't remember this. Oh, hey. Some of that. What is this? Okay, where am I? Where do I gotta go? Oh yeah, they've updated the map too. Where do I go? I forgot. Did they update like the map? Or what? Okay. Yeah, here it was. So there's a statue in here, I know that. So this looks like a tabby slime, so we'll probably need a tabby plort. So if we can just quickly just find a tabby slime. Oh, wait a minute, I see something. What is that? It's like you can see it, like my cursor's right over it. It's like shiny. I can't get it. Uh-oh. Get out of here. Yeah, get out of here, you tars. Alright, oh, I'm out of water. Alright, whatever. Okay. Well, we could just quickly head back. Let me just head back to the conservatory, and then we can feed one of our tabby slimes, and we can get a tabby plort, and we'll see what that does. Right, hello. I mean, I might as well feed all of you. Alright, plort. Alright, so just keep eating all them. And then I can sell some of the leftovers. I don't know how many we'll need. Okay, we got a floor and another floor. Okay. So let's head out now. And we can see how this is gonna work. So just there's a spot over here. Yep. I can just jump over. Okay. So we can head right over here. Let's see what this does. Oh. Oh, the door's opening. What do we got here? Really? That's it? That's it? It better be something good. Oh, upgrade component. A tank liner. To upgrade the Vax tank. I mean, I don't really know what that means, but I guess I'll take it. That was kind of a letdown. We can go find more statues. If I can remember where they all are. Oh my. Yeah, there's a lot of tar over here, and I do not have water. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Well, that was kinda... Oh, new message. Alright, let's go see it. Alright, who's the message from? Another Victor. Oh, Beatrix, I was up all night trying to synthesize the perfect gift for you. Hypothesizing, testing, throwing my results in the trash, starting all over again. Finally, I discovered an alternate method, shopping for something online. The process was surprisingly straightforward. A large pinwheel. Oh, okay. What was that supposed to do? I wish it would tell me on the map, like, where all the statues are. I know there was a bunch, like, on the... One of the other islands. Was it, like, Rainbow Isles or something? Okay, let me... Yeah, Starlight Strand is, I'm pretty sure, where it was. Because this area was a colorful place. I know there were statues there. What else do I want to do, though? I mean, I guess I could feed my slimes. Could get a few upgrades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Visual glitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you guys can have the rest. Alright. Alright, out of the way. Just give me my plorts. I'm taking all your plorts. Give me your turds. Ugh, now I gotta get all these guys back out. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see what kind of upgrades we can get. Down we go. Okay, let's just see here, because I know there was some, like, cheap upgrades. Oh, this is a new upgrade. Tank Guard salvages 20% of your vac tank's contents upon accidental encounters with Slime Sea or following other forms of health loss. Okay. Yeah, so we can get a heart module, maybe a power core. And that's about it. Yeah, that's it. We can get, like, heart module and power core. Let's see, that one takes cotton plorts. So we can put, like, 10 here. Alright. Is that 10? Yeah, that's 10. Here, we'll put these 6 in here, just quickly get 4 more. Then we can upgrade the heart module. Oh, yep, and then we need more for the next upgrade. Yep, just let me go quickly get 4 more cotton plorts. And then we can go on. Let me sell these. Okay. Oh, look at that. All of our food is already growing. I don't need much. It'll be good to have some food on hand when we're out and about. Yep. So we got that. Let me get some of you. Here, and then we get rid of all you stony hens. Actually, it might be worth it to maybe get something. Elder chickens and store them in a collector. Actually, I mean, the high walls does its job. It's not like they're able to escape. Alright, let me collect these. Alright. Takes a little bit. Come on. Just get over here. Come on. It's taking a while. More. Okay. So let me just quickly feed like 4 of these guys. Alright. Because I just need 4 more. Alright. Take that, sell them. Or not sell them. Put them in the refinery so we can use them. Okay. So just put these guys in there. Go into here. And boom. Power core. Alright. So it might take a while before I find a statue again. So I'm gonna keep looking. So I will see you guys in a bit. Alright. I have found another statue here. So this one looks like it's that like bee slime. So, and I know those are around here. I just have to find them. I've seen them around here. So I can just try and go find one. It's weird seeing this place at night. Okay, we got these rock slimes. Alright. Are there any, like, rock slime statues that I need to do? Just looking around here. Just in case. No? Okay. Whoa, what are those? Oh. Oh. Oh! Hunter? What the heck are hunter largos? They angry. Okay. They were past here. Ooh. Ringtail plort. Where there's a crime, there's a ringtail slime. Oh my, there's a lot of angry guys here. Okay, I might want to get out of here. Oh yeah, I remember this spot. So it was right past here. Here we go. Alright, so we've got these guys. Diet, veggie, and fruit. Here, you eat that. Hey, no, not you. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of... Alright, here. Hey, you. Diet, fruit. Take that. Okay. Here we go. We've got a honey plort. I might want to collect a rock plort too, just in case. But oh my, there's a lot. Alright, I'm gone. I'm not gonna deal with that. Oh, hey, rock plort. Oh dang, I'm out of space. Whatever. Whatever, I'm going, I'm leaving. I don't want to deal with that, there's a lot. Where did I come from again? Is it over here? I don't remember where I came from. Okay, it definitely wasn't there. Run away from these guys. Oh my gosh, there's more. I don't want to deal with it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out these puzzles, man. Just let me get over here in peace. Okay. Here we go. So we got this. Boom. So where does this take me? Oh. Alright, so we got another one of these. See what we get. Storage cell, okay. To upgrade the Vax tank booster. What else though? Okay, so there's a hot and phosphor largo. And then there's one of those, and there's not a statue nearby. Ooh. Oh, radiant ore. There's radiant ore. The awesome power of a rainbow and the sleek aesthetic of a lump of mineral. Okay, yeah, I remember that. Ugh, I don't have really enough space for anything though. I need to just explore more because I know almost for certain that there was a rock plort thing somewhere. I know that there was a rock slime statue somewhere. Just don't know where. So I'm gonna try to find that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Whoa. Okay. So I didn't find a statue, but I have found a Hunter Gordo diet meat. I do have some meat. I don't want to give him all of it, but I'll have to keep in mind that he is there. I'll have to keep that in mind, because that might mean a new area. Probably not, but you never know. So anyways, let's keep exploring here. Okay. Let's see what's up here. Can't get over there. Oh, yep, here. Yep. Rock. So where is it? I know I had one. Is it still there? Or am I gonna have to get another one? Aha. Yep, there's still some. Here, we'll just get rid of that guy. Take a rock plort, and we'll go get another statue. I knew it was over here somewhere. Alright, boom. Alright, what do we got? So we've got another one of these places. Okay. Oh, this is like a shortcut. Okay, so this just leads to the other statue. That's actually not too bad. That's pretty useful, because it takes a while to get over here. So, doing that, that's pretty good. I've got another one of these. Probably a shortcut. Either angler slimes. Oh. I want to find cool stuff. Alright, so we got another statue. Or not statue, another gate. But I don't see nowhere where the gate could be. Could just head. Oh, here we go. Now, what kind of dude is this? That looks like maybe a hunter. I think it's a hunter slime. Or whatever or maybe like whatever the ringtail one is or something. Hey, where'd my chickens go? Oh wait, I fed them to the giant one. Now I remember. Hold on, is there any like around here at all? Aha. Yeah, I'll take you. I need to find one. Yeah, I don't know where I would find one. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Ow. Hmm. Yeah, there's like none of those left. Do they like only appear at a certain time of day or something? Could be. Hmm. Yeah, so let me head back to the one area where I found them. And just check around there. Yeah. So what are these statues? So do these guys like turn— Ow! Sorry man, I gotta boot you away. So what do these things do? Hey, get out of here. Ugh. These things... Because do they like just turn into statues? How do I break them? I don't know. I think this is a good spot to maybe end off. Let me get back to the conservatory real quick. Alright, and we've got a new message. So let's quickly check that out before we end off the video. What do we got? Mochi Miles. Hey B, those drones you've been finding all over that. There's something weird about them. Hey, I got eyes in the sky and I'm gonna use them. I'm also readying a team of drones to head over there and check things out in a more hands-on fashion, but I digress. Anyway, that drone seems super advanced, like almost alien, and so I thought, okay, there's some aliens out there checking out Rainbow Island just like you. But no, I don't think so, because it looks a lot like the drones we use, so much more familiar to me. Almost like it's giving me deja vu. It's kind of creepy. Hey, don't be scared. It's probably just aliens. Giant three-headed aliens with huge claws that are looking for humans to capture. Or eat, or both. Wahahaha. Later, B. Okay, if you say so. Yeah, I think this is a good spot to end off. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of us opening some statues with some gates so we can figure out what the heck is going on with this island. And without further ado, before we end off the video, we gotta have the meme of the day. Meme of the day for today is, drum roll please, this meme right here on screen. Shout out to whoever's meme this is, and be sure to check out the Discord service so you can submit your memes and have a chance to be featured in a video. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.